DATOS, your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed guide on upgrading your HP Quince data units by replacing the MDUA SAD. This process will enhance your laptop's performance significantly. Let's dive in. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and handle the components without causing damage. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there is no residual power. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is essential for your safety. Now, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the MD-DOS SSD slot. It's usually situated near the RAM slots. If you're unsure, refer to your laptop's manual for guidance. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the SSD slot. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. This will help ensure optimal performance once the new SSD is installed. Now, if you have an existing SSD in the slot, gently unscrew it using your Phillips head screwdriver. Carefully slide it out of the slot at a slight angle. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Take your new MD-DOS SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at the same angle you used to remove the old one. Once it's in place, press it down gently and secure it with the screw you previously removed. After securing the SSD, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely, but not overly tight to avoid stripping them. Now, if you're feeling uncertain about the installation, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can ensure everything is functioning correctly without any hassle. Once the back panel is secured, reinsert the battery if you removed it. Plug your laptop back in and power it on. You should now see the new SSD recognized in your system. If you need assistance with the setup, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your HP Quince data units with a new MD-DOS SSD. SSD SSD ono uno SD. Enjoy the enhanced speed and storage capacity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.